Good evening guys! Haggard ba ako? Katatapos ko lang kasi magbalot. Diyos ko, ilang pirasong regalo. Inabot ba ako ng siyam-siyam? So, meron lang kasi kaming get together sa 16 ng mga old friends from school, since elementary to high school. Nakakatuwa lang, no? Kasi even kahit ang tagal-tagal ng panahon na, yun, you still have find time to meet each other. That's the good thing about social media, you know. You can easily communicate and then bond, and because of social media, intact yung samahan. Yeah, minsan na imposible magkita-kita, pero dahil sa social media, nagagawa natin makipag-communicate at makipag-bonding. So